What's going on, guys? This your boy Cam Guy Cliff coming at you, yes you, with another video. We at the Daiquiri Shack once again. Yes. I'm gonna stop looking at myself and look at the camera. I'm buzzing right now. But I want y'all to see. The food is amazing. Man. It's always a good time every time we come here. And if you ain't stopped by yet and seen your boy at the Daiquiri Shack / US 12, why you look like that?
Nobody talking about it in my head. Sorry.
You a fool because they got good food. You know, it's authentic people here. Yeah. Ooh. You need to catch a buzz, come catch one here.
I pour heavy.
She pour heavy. She pour heavy, trust me. Come here. Come here, you need to catch a buzz, real shit. It's a good place, and you know, good people here.
We up here every week.
Every weekend, for sure. Honestly, it's the food, and Madison, she po heavy. She ain't lying, she po heavy. But the food is good, you know. The vibe is good, and it's not expensive. I'm gonna tell you the truth, it's not expensive. And they got good music.
They got fine people.
Fine wives, a lot of people.
Me, I'm the people. I could be two different people at the same time.
You see, like I'm dealing with two personalities in one body.
No,
oh
no.
Wow!
Food. No.
So we're gonna end that video right here. Hey, fuck with US 12 if you ain't no lame. If you a lame, stay at home.